All right, what's up guys? My name's Jake Howarth here. I'm a brown belt out of Ronin Training Center under Vitor Oliveira. We're gonna go through a series of techniques called Bijo Breakdown. We're gonna be focused on nogi techniques. A couple of my credentials, multiple time Pan bronze medalist. I medaled at bronze at the Worlds in 2021. Former collegiate wrestler, so let's take a look. I wanna look at another variation on the slide by. This time, it's less awkward on the angle that you're pulling his arm by through. So, collar tie here, instead of having my arm over the top here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of hang a lazy arm. I'm gonna start walking into my opponent. As he walks back, I'm gonna think about bumping this by, turning my head the opposite direction and pulling him across. From here, we're gonna go lifting the crotch, stepping up, lifting, hip finishing two. So let's look at that one more time. Walking in, across, with our finish. Keep it moving.